This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. Welcome to paradise. Relax and enjoy this spacious and open floor plan. Main area of home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2-car garage and pool on over half an acre lot. Plus, a charming in-law suite/apartment. Wow! In-law suite has 2 separate entrances with its own kitchen, bedroom and full bathroom, all overlooking the pool/patio area. New 1.5-ton air conditioner for Suite IN 9/2023. Main area of home has a large living room with door wall to pool/patio. Master bedroom has walk-in closet with door wall to pool/patio. Kitchen features French doors to the patio. 44 by 13 patio has snack counter. Both guest bedrooms in main area of home have large closets. Main area of home is 1,818 square feet. In-law suite is 544 square feet. New metal roof in 2017. Property card says it is a 3 halves. For more information, review the details below.